How to fix internet not working after disconnecting from Ipvanish on macOS Catalina. The problem: there is a rare case where Macs running macOS Catalina may not be able to access the internet after disconnecting from Ipvanish after an attempted macOS update while connected to Ipvanish VPN. Internet connectivity appears to stop working as described in the scenario above because the Ipvanish DNS servers are not removed properly when you disconnect from the Ipvanish VPN. DNS servers are used to match the IP address of a website with the URL for the website, e.g. www.ipvanish.com. So that you can simply type in the name of the website instead of having to type in the IP address of the website to access and view it. The connectivity issue occurs when your Mac is trying to talk to Ipvanish DNS servers and you are no longer connected to the VPN. This will not work and is an error that occurs with our app. The proper behavior of our app when you disconnect from the VPN is to remove the Ipvanish DNS servers and restore your internet service provider's DNS servers in your network settings. The solution: to fix the internet connectivity issue, we have to manually reset Ipvanish DNS servers in the network settings. To do this, follow the steps below. 1. Click on the in the top left of your screen and select System Preferences. 2. Click the network icon as shown below. 3. Make sure your internet connection is selected in the menu on the left. Typically this will be labeled as Wi-Fi. Select your wireless network from the network name drop-down menu and then click on the Advanced button in the bottom right of the window as shown below. 4. Click the DNS tab at the top. Click to highlight the Ipvanish DNS servers on the left and then click the button on the to remove each one and then click OK. The two servers you want to remove are 198.18.0.1 and 198.18.0.2, be sure to remove both. 5. Click Apply, restart your Mac and your internet will be restored. If you are still having trouble, please contact Ipvanish support team.